This year's Public Safety Day is Saturday, October 4th. It'll be at the Public Safety Transportation Operations Center. Public Safety Day is such an important event for Fairfax County because it brings together all of our public safety partners. We'll have a few different ones: Fairfax County 911, as well as the Department of Emergency Management, the Police and the Fire Department, Sheriff's Office, CERT, and the Health Department, and many more. We will have some child safety seat checkpoints in the parking lot. We also have child IDs done by the Sheriff's Office inside. We'll give tours of the 911 center. We'll also have police and fire vehicles outside for the kids to see. Kids will get the chance to practice our 911 simulator. We'll have real call takers and dispatchers inside, coaching them through the call, teaching them how to respond and stay calm, and also teaching them phone techniques as well.
It's really important for families, especially kids, to meet first responders outside emergencies because it helps in a positive environment build those relationships, but it also gives parents the opportunities to interact and then take what they're learning and actually go home and practice it. We'll provide a positive experience for people to interact with each other. They can grab a bite to eat while they're here, as well as just hang out and enjoy the day. For more information about the event, you can check out Facebook, X, and also Instagram. We will also feature it in the Emergency Preparedness newsletter for September. The information can be found on our website as well.